Hi, my name is Milena Pajic, and thank you for joining me on my course Business Analysis Defining Change Strategies. I'm a Master of Computer Science, PMP and CBAP, professional Scrum Master and a true Kanban evangelist. This course aims to help you comprehend the strategy analysis knowledge area, prepare for the IIBA certification, and master the skills of business analysis. Plus, you can earn Professional Development Units (PDUs) and Continuing Development Units (CDUs) by completing this course. The main topics that we will cover in the course include the tasks of the knowledge area: analyze current state, define future state, assess risks, and define change strategy. Who can benefit from taking this course? Business professionals with an array of competencies, knowledge, and experience, ranging from an understanding of system engineering concepts, business case development, modeling techniques and methods, leadership, over to project management. Also, the course is aimed at people who work with business analysts to better understand the required set of skills and their scope of work. With appealing memorization techniques presented, the team from an imaginary software product development company, and an abundance of real-life scenarios, you will be able to get a complete deep dive into the process of defining change strategy. Join me and embrace the opportunity to expand your skill set.